Hello, welcome to this third lesson. If you remember, in our last lesson, we were modeling our dinosaur. So we are going to continue with it. I'm going to select the mask and then lasso, and then we are going to adjust the head. Since if I click here, we'll see that it wasn't well adjusted before. We are going to smooth it by clicking inside the mask, and then we are going to rotate it. Okay, rotate it a little bit. Much better like this, more natural. Okay, so let's keep working. Remember, practice is the key. Okay, working with the nose is going to be a bit more complicated. Okay, let's do now the brows. And here we'll need to insert some modifications. For example, make the eyes bigger. Oops. Okay, guys, make sure that the symmetry is activated, especially for this part. I'm going to add a mask here and then smooth it. Now I'm going to move the brows. In case the head is too wide in this side, we can use Move to edit it. Notice that in order to create these lines, these folds, there are two options. One of them is working in the standard mode and set intensity at 25. This value is fine since it shapes the figure, but it's not too hard. As I said, you need to be really patient and keep practicing. Then, with a damp brush, we are going to highlight the lines. After that, we are going to use the Move Elastic brush at a low intensity. Okay, I'm turning it off because it shouldn't be selected. So, with the brush, we are going to move the lines in this direction so that it seems that it's real skin. We are going to inflate this part over here and deflate this one. Basically, I'm working with different brushes and different options to model the dinosaur little by little. Okay, I think we should add more volume to this part. Another thing we can do is activating the mask. And then go to Deformation and Blow Up Inflate. Okay, let's compare it with the image. As you can see, we still need to inflate this part and add more lines and folds. As we've done previously, you can check the dinosaur anatomy in the image you used as a reference. Now let's go back to the paws, which are unfinished. The dinosaur of the image has, as you can notice, two small claws and a big one. So it won't be difficult for us since we are using Dynamesh. Okay, I'm going to try out with a sneak hook. Okay, let's put one point here and another here, right? Okay, let's lower the brush. I think this tool works really good for this. Regarding the other claw, which you can see over here and which is in the inner side, I'm going to use the inflate brush for the base of the claw. Let's update Dynamesh now. Perfect. And now I'm going to try if I can stretch it using a mask. Okay, let's invert it and inflate it. I'm going to smooth this part with Tune Dynamics. Let's move this part of the claw upwards. Okay. And we are going to update Dynamesh again and select the claw again. We are going to invert the mask. Your dinosaur must be something similar to this. We'll need to apply many changes and modifications until we'll get the result expected. So keep adjusting it to the image until it's fine. Remember that the floor can be deactivated if we don't want to work with it. Sometimes it's annoying when adding certain details, so we can also press Ctrl and Shift and then select the area we want to work with. For example, I'm going to select the paws. In this way, it's way easier to work with a reduced and specific area. Let's smooth it. The paws are almost done, at least the shape, but it's enough for now since we are creating the basic structure. Press Ctrl Shift to go back to the model. Here it goes. As we can see here in the image, it's kind of square-shaped, so we are going to inflate the two claws and flatten them with Gym Dynamic. Now that the process is clear, I'm going to do it very quickly since it's the same we've done before. So at this point, we'll need to move the different body parts so that we use a proper anatomy. For instance, the current position of the arms is not the same that the image, so we're going to change it. We're going to use the mask and select the upper limbs. And now we are going to put them in a correct position. In the case of the lower limbs, we can open them a little bit. Very important, guys, save your document. So go to File, Save As, and click on Yes. Okay, this is basically what we are going to do. I'll be adding more details and perfecting the shape. We'll need also to increase the resolution when working with details and the lines, etc. So the nails are done, and we'll be adding later the eyes and the teeth. I leave it here, and in the next lesson, we are going to see the same model but quite advanced. Then what we'll be doing is working with alphas, the teeth, the eyes, and adding colors. So guys, see you in the next video.